Hi everyone, this is Lothar, and I'm back again with another quick update on the iPrint iOS application, and specifically some new changes that were introduced with iOS 10 that will make this even more functional. This video is really a follow-on to the What's New in the iPrint iOS version 3 application YouTube video and Cool Solutions article that I did not that long ago. In those, we discussed the release of the iPrint version 3 application that added the ability of iOS extensions. Now, with the release of iOS version 10, you have some additional capabilities around AirPrint that lets you take advantage of these from any application, even if that application does not actually support iOS extensions. That new capability in iOS version 10 is specifically the ability that from AirPrint you can now convert that job to a PDF before actually or instead of actually printing it. The way that you do that is you use both your fingers and you kind of push apart the AirPrint preview that is presented to you. I'll show you that in just a second. Once you have that PDF conversion available to you, you can use the open-in, or it seems to be now called import capability on the iPrint mobile app, or you can use the iOS app extension and print directly that way. For those of you who know about app extensions or have perhaps already tried this, you will know that email is one of those applications that does not support extensions yet. Normally what you would do is you would select your email and then select the action menu and select print, and this would bring up the AirPrint dialog. AirPrint generates a nice preview for you, and again, as I mentioned previously, what you will do is use your two fingers and kind of push apart to expand this preview view into a full screen preview. You can then use the open-in feature of the previewer, and in the top row, as you can see, select Microfocus iPrint and pass the document or import this previewed mail message into the iPrint application. As usual, you would then select your printer and simply print using the app. If we go back to the email AirPrint preview, in the bottom row we can select the iOS extension. This way we don't actually have to pass the document, or in this case the previewed mail message, into the iPrint app. We can just use the extension to print directly from within the previewer. Again, we select the printer options, and print. Hopefully you're excited by these new features in iOS and the iPrint application. As you may have noticed, you don't actually need any AirPrint printers in order to achieve this functionality. So even if you have an application that only supports AirPrint and you don't have any AirPrint printers, you can still use the preview capability and then passing it to the application or using the iOS extension to then actually print directly to the iPrint printer via the iPrint app. Thank you very much for your time today, and hopefully you found this useful.